Welcome to Bizzy Bee. Bizzy Bee is designed to help every type of cleaning company run more efficiently. Running a cleaning business can be challenging at the best of times. There's always so much to do. Just organizing the workload alone can take hours. Before using Bizzy Bee, so many cleaning companies were living in the dark ages with lots of room for human error. If you don't have a centralized management system, it's very easy to become unorganized. Just imagine how you would feel if you no longer had to worry about the entire admin side of your business. Bizzy Bee allows you to completely automate everything, from invoicing, wage calculation, organizing cleaners' schedules, and so much more. A successful cleaning company is well organized. So if you're running your business from spreadsheets or WhatsApp groups, it's time to step up your game. Once you have created your account for a 14-day free trial, the next stage is setting the rules in the system by following our simple step-by-step video instruction guide. You simply input your cleaners, cleaning teams, and one-time or regular customers into Bizzy Bee, and the automation will do the rest. You are now safe in the knowledge that your cleaners know which jobs are assigned to them. Your customers know when their next appointment is. Your cleaners can log in to check and manage their schedule. Invoices are worked out accurately and sent to your customers on time. Wage calculations are automatically generated. Create reminders to ensure your customer service team complete all important tasks. You know how much money is outstanding and you know who to chase for payment. You can even take credit and debit card payments from your customers through the system. You will have all the information about what is happening in every part of your business at all times. Bizzy Bee is extremely flexible and allows you to react very quickly to real-world problems. Problems like cleaners calling in sick or customers changing the date of their appointment are very easily managed from inside the system with minimal effort. The best part is you don't have to take our word for it. You can try Bizzy Bee completely free for 14 days with no strings attached. After the 14 days, if you realize how much time your business is saving and how much easier your life has become, you can keep using Bizzy Bee for only £19.99 per month, with unlimited users, which makes us the most affordable advanced cleaning business software on the market. We also don't believe in contracts, so you can come and go as you please. We're a global company with a UK support team and we are always happy to help, 24 hours a day. So, whether you are a startup company or a company with years of experience, Bizzy Bee is the desktop software for you. The Bizzy Bee mobile app is under construction and is due to be released in January 2023. This app will include many features such as Track My Cleaner functions, payment integrations, satellite navigation, and lots more. Any subscribers who join Bizzy Bee before December 31st will benefit from full use of the mobile app for no extra cost when it's released. So start your 14-day free trial today, and we'll see you inside.